Okay, girls, I thought I'd just show you another way of using the layer mask tool that you might be interested in, just to blend a couple of different pictures together. So first of all, I'm going to use my two original galaxy and star sign pictures, but I've also added in another one as well. So we're going to go ahead and add three new layers, and I'm going to call my first one Galaxy. I'm going to call my second one Star Sign, and I'm going to call my third one Moon. Okay, so girls, again, you want to go ahead and add in those pictures by going File, Place Embedded, find that galaxy picture, and I'm going to actually make it a little bit bigger, and I'm going to sort of offset these pictures a little bit to get a little bit more of a blending feel to them. Okay, so if I press the tick, the next one I'm going to add is the star sign. So File, Place Embedded, Place, and I'm going to sort of change the shape of this one, and I'm going to make it more of a square, and I'm just going to pop that one in my top corner like that. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and add my, click the tick, and I'm going to add my moon in as well, and then we're going to blend them all together. So File, Place Embedded, Moon, and I'm going to pop this one down the bottom here. Okay. Now girls, what we want to do is I want to go to my star sign layer, and I'm going to go ahead and add that layer mask. So clicking this, it's kind of like a square with a hole in it. Okay, I'm going to click that and add my layer mask. Now using the gradient tool, which is this one over here, and making sure that it is white to black, I'm going to just have a bit of a play around with it, and I'm going to try and add it on a bit of an angle. Now that's probably a little bit too much, so I'm going to just take it back a little bit. You might even want to try and play around with different ways of moving this, okay? But I think I'm pretty happy with that. Okay, so it's sort of blending in from one to the other. And what you can do, girls, is you can come up to the top left-hand corner, and this tool here is called the Move tool. So what you can do is you can move that original picture. So if you want to move it back a little bit so that you get more of the blending effect, then you can move that around. You can also move this one too, but that's not really going to change the blending effect. Okay. Next we want to do the moon. So if I click on my moon layer and add in my layer mask, and using my gradient tool, I'm just going to draw my line from there to there. Oop, that hasn't quite worked. It might be because my layers are not overlapping. So just check. Yeah, so it's not overlapping very much at all. So I'm going to move that up a little bit and try that again. There we go. Okay, and girls, if you want to move that again, you can move that one up and down. If you want to edit the picture again in terms of the size or the direction of it, just remember you can go, so having the picture selected, edit, transform, and scale, and you can make it bigger or smaller or whatever you want to do with the picture. Okay, and then pressing our tick. And just remembering, girls, that our curved ball guide needs to go above so that we've still got that black line. But that's just another way that you can use the layer mask tool to blend some different images together for your playfield, for your pinball machine.